Baldness breakthrough. Sugar may hold the key to hair regrowth. Tired of seeing more scalp than hair? A groundbreaking study offers a glimmer of hope, suggesting a simple sugar could reverse baldness. Get ready to explore the science behind this potential game changer. Researchers have discovered that a naturally occurring sugar in the human body can stimulate hair growth. This sugar boosts blood flow, leading to the formation of new blood vessels around hair follicles. More blood vessels mean healthier, revitalized hair. The study involved mice with induced hair loss, mimicking male pattern baldness. Treatment with the sugar resulted in significant hair regrowth. Animations vividly show these blood vessels forming and hair sprouting, offering a visual promise of what's possible. Engaging graphics illustrate how this sugar works at a cellular level. It's naturally occurring, inexpensive, and stable, making it an ideal candidate for hair loss treatment. This could be a safer, more accessible solution than current options. Male pattern baldness affects up to 50% of men worldwide. While FDA-licensed treatments exist, they often come with limitations or side effects. This new research offers a fresh perspective and renewed hope for those seeking a solution. Our research suggests the answer to treating hair loss might be as simple as using a naturally occurring deoxyribose sugar, says Professor Sheila McNeil, a leading expert in tissue engineering and regenerative medicine at the University of Sheffield. With promising early results, experts believe this research warrants further investigation and could revolutionize hair loss treatment. Ready to learn more about this exciting development and explore potential treatments? Subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on hair loss research. Share this video with fellow bald brothers and let's usher in a new era of hair regrowth together.